little fight on this guy. Woo! Look at that. Little tungsten jig is going for some perch. And this walleye moved in. Now that is a walleye. Let's get a quick measurement on it and we'll get it back. That's a 22¼ inch walleye. Look at that fish. Look at it. Holy, that is thick. That's a Pelican Lake walleye right there. There she goes, happy and healthy. There you go. There you go. Reel it up.
It's perch.
Are you sure?
Nope.
That's a walleye or something.
I think you got me too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got you here, Brance.
You do, eh?
Don't fight me, Kay.
Just let it pull up.
Might have to downline this.
There, mine's out of the water.
Let me get this out of here. Oh, that's a big perch.
Holy man.
Oh, I'm on my hand. That's a little football, eh?
Yeah.
Nice.
You want to measure?
Oh, there he goes.
Nope, you can grab him.
That would be a fish fail there, eh? Try to get him postured up. Cool.
You got a quick measure? Or? No?
He's like 10.5. Man, that was a real gong show catching that fish.
I think I even got you putting it down the hole. Like I videoed you picking up out of my hole.
There we go.
There you go.
Another one.
Oh wow, you're on. You want me to get your deucer over there?
Please.
Oh,
Another
another
football.
one. What are you using, by the way?
Just a little titanium jig here. It's a fly jig, but I'm tipping it with a minnow head.
What's right
I
here?
don't know. He's probably about the same size as that last one. So, you throw that today. It's just like tap bottom, raise up half a foot, and he was there.
There you go. Ho ho ho! Fuck up again. I'm not gonna pull up this time because there's more. We're on this.
Oh, that's a walleye. And I lost him.
Oh.
Shucks.
Oh, there's more.
There's another one down there, right?
I'm marking.
Oh yeah. Get him, Eric. Feel good? You want me to get out?
No, it's a perch.
Okay.
Oh, it's a little walleye.
Nice. I lost a walleye while you were
Perfect. Look at that.
Beauty fish. Nice.
Fish around.
Yeah.
There you go. What do we got? I don't know.
On the transducer already. Oh, might be pikey. He's running.
It's coming up. Oh, there's another one down there.
I kind of hope it's a pike. I'd like to
Oh God.
eat him.
I think you're in my line.
Oh geez. Just open up the bail on it if you can.
Pull?
Yeah. Oh, there he is. Ooh. Came up the hole.
It's a walleye, isn't
You want to grab him? What is that? That's a sucker. What the heck?
Ugly things, eh?
Greasy little.
Yeah, stinky little buggers.
Huh. There's another fish down there. Hang on.
That's gonna be some pike bait though. Throw that on there. Nice. Get him, Eric. You want to get your juicer? Oh, that's a big perch. It's a beauty perch.
You can have a perch, I'll take the wall.
Sure.
What'd you do with the sucker?
I threw him over there.
Oh,
Keeping him for pike bait.
nice little perch.
Nice. Yeah, I didn't like it. I probably was more fired up about it than you, eh?
Yeah, I don't really care.
Get him.
No, I lost him. That's a pike.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I could see him just shoot up at you. There we go.
No. Oh my.
Oh, that's a big walleye. That's a big walleye. Whoo, baby. Oh, nice.
Now that's a walleye.
That's a toad. Sorry.
That must have been a walleye chasing the whole time.
I guess so. That's awesome.
That's a beauty.
What do you think he measures?
Well, let's give him a quick measurement here. Right on the cell phone.
He's strong.
19-inch. I for sure thought that was a pike. It still baffles me.
We can edit anything out.
Not the Santa Claus thing, though, right?
So
No,
that,
that,
oh,
and it's like really clickbaity.
did you see?
Marking one here.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
Oh, I'm bare naked.
Do you want me to reel this one out, or is it coming out pretty good?
Not really. You
Or you be hooked on me.
Okay. If it isn't, just open the bail and freeze him.
He's coming up. His tail's here.
Did I foul him or what?
I don't know unless you're hooked on him.
I feel like you're hooked on me because I just keep getting on your
That's
legs.
upset.
That's a beauty of a walleye.
Oh, baby. Nice.
Oh.
Hoo-hoo. Thanks, Eric. I got him. Holy smokes. That's
Oh,
Am
there's
I
a-
on you or no?
I don't see you.
Okay, then maybe I have.
There's another big one down there.
Thanks, Eric.
Don't mind me. I'm getting back down there.
Yeah,
I'd say I have my own.
Are you hooked up? Nice.
Oh, pull gently, cause
Gently. Well, the drag's set nice, so just nice and easy. I'm gonna help you out here.
Yeah. Okay. Oh
Nice.
yeah, he's dragging me back. So.
Nice. And
it might be a big one, cause you can barely pull
Oh,
it.
I'm not sure if maybe you're hooked in that fish before me even.
Ah,
Look at that fish. Huh?
As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like the video.
Missed him?
Yep, missed him.